Hi entrepreneurs! In this module, we will be learning how to create a business plan for your startup. And please don't confuse it with pitch deck. Pitch deck is completely a sales thing. Yes, raising fund is almost equal to doing a sales pitch. On the other hand, business plans are a strategy, pure strategy, how you are going to run your business. One can say that it is your startup into words on MS Doc. This is why I strongly feel an advocate that a business plan is your real business on papers. Like what we call financial model are your business in numbers on an Excel sheet. Similarly, business plan is your business on papers into MS Doc. Once prepared, one need to follow it like a holy book. Bible, Gita, Quran, whatever you follows. It is your roadmap to execution. Now let's leave what I feel and believe and see what is a business plan. A business plan is a written document that describes in detail how a business, usually a startup, defines its objectives and how it is to go about achieving its goals. A business plan lays out a written roadmap for the venture from marketing, financial, operational standpoints. Business plan are important documents used to attract investment before a company has established a proven track record. They are also a good way for companies to keep themselves on target going forward. Although they are useful for the new businesses, every company should have a business plan. Ideally, the plan is reviewed and updated over a period to see if goals have met or have changed or evolved. Sometimes a new business plan is created for an established business that has decided to move in a new direction. So now the points that we will be discussing into this module. First, a business plan is a written document describing a company's core business activities, objectives, and how it plans to achieve the goals. Second, startup companies use business plan to get off the ground and attract outside investors. Third, businesses may come up with a lengthier traditional business plan or a shorter lean startup business plan. Fourth, good business plans should include an executive summary, product and services, marketing strategy and analysis, financial planning and budgeting. So quickly let's get over with the introduction, and in next video we will be taking up understanding of business plan. Till then, see you all, take care.